Hello, we are a group of students in Miss Gould's science class. My name is Ian and this is Luke, and we need your help. Our topic we need help on is overfishing, mainly overfishing with sharks. The reason we are going to talk to you is because we're going to ask for help in raising money to create some safe spots to save the fish from getting extinct. These are sharks, as you know, but with overfishing, we are catching too many. So now that you are hooked, ha 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 ha, now that we have hooked your attention, we will talk about the problem.
Overfishing is when one area or a type of fish is fished on great quantities in a short amount of time, and the fish start to run low. Also, overfishing can be defined as a large quantity of fish being fished at one time without a break for them to remultiply.
This can be a very bad thing because that is destroying the balance of the food chain. We are eating all of the main predators in the sea and all the other fish that are gaining fast in numbers. We eat sharks, but now 100 million sharks are being fished every year, and 20% of those sharks are finned and thrown back into the water. Finning is when you cut off the shark's fin and you throw the body back into the water.
Overfishing can be a very dangerous thing because if we don't stop this, then we will have no white sharks and a lot of other fish that we eat on a daily basis that will be gone by 2020. This is a very serious matter because if we don't do something, then a very big part of our food supply, places like Japan, China, and Korea, will have no fish in the area to eat by 2020.
Fund us. We are trying to set up protected areas to save the fish and other sea creatures from extinction. Help us by funding an organization that will help us make these safe spots.
We need your help. We don't only need funding. We need you to raise political attention because some of the problem is that nobody knows about this. So we need you to help us by telling other people about this project and that this is a big problem because we might run out of sharks for people's own gain.
These sharks are a big part of the food chain because they are one of the main predators that eat a lot of small fish, and if they don't eat the fish, they might run wild, and they might end up eating all the food and destroy the balance of the ecosystem. Help us fix the problem that we as a race have caused, and we might just be able to save the sharks. Thank you.